This cocktail is called Disco Lemonade. We're going to go ahead and start off by putting our ice in our glass, like so. Then we're going to do half an ounce of sloe gin. Half an ounce of triple sec. Half an ounce of blue carousel or blue curaçao. And then we're going to do half an ounce of Bacardi Lemon, which is a lemon-flavored rum, like so. Fill the rest up with lemonade. I am going to use, let's see, pink lemonade. You can use yellow as well. And mix it all together. This is what your disco lemonade is going to look like. Last but not least, take your blue carousel and top it over the top like so. Go ahead and garnish that with a cocktail straw. And you are good to go. Cheers.